Hey, we are live at FabCon and we're just having an amazing blast, meeting all sorts of great people. Today, I'm here with Jason Campbell. Jason, welcome to the show. How are you doing today, sir?
Thank you, Chris. Doing well, doing well. It's great to be with you. See you again.
Yeah, it's so good to see you in person and not just online. Uh, so introduce yourself to the people. Who are you?
Yes, my name's Jason Campbell. I'm from North Carolina. I work for an insurance company, and I'm the cloud engineer for that said company. And we're very pleased and interested in Fabric.
Oh, that's fantastic. Now, can you give us a little background? Are you using Power BI today?
Absolutely, yes. We
Yeah.
have thousands of reports. Yes.
Thousands of reports.
Yes.
Okay, do you have any data flows?
Hundreds of data flows.
Hundreds of data
Yes,
flows,
yes,
right?
yes.
And so I'm sure you're thinking about Fabric to potentially like optimize and simplify your workloads. Is that
Absolutely,
right?
absolutely. And specifically Direct Lake, right?
Oh,
Right. That's the reporting and the data flows all in one place there.
well, so I mean, that's a big deal, right? Bringing them all together. And you have to be really excited about the announcement today about one like security, right?
Yes, absolutely, yes. The RLS headaches.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, it just take care of one step downstream. Everything's downstream. It's taken care of.
Well, and for those of you, I mean, you're watching, so you're not at FabCon. They announced One Lake Security today, and they showed us a demo. What One Lake Security does is it allows you to define your security one place on one lake, and it just bleeds through and follows through in every environment. So in Power BI, role level security, object level security, all that stuff is managed in queries, in notebooks. No matter what experience you're in, you have that same level of security. Oh, the AI is just on a tear today. Stop with the whole hand thing. So we got to turn that off. We'll bring you back into Zoom here. But it's like that's going to really simplify a lot of security compliance. I'd imagine that's a big concern for an insurance company, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, security's always a top concern, right?
Right.
So we're really happy with that. Aside from the security though, the global variables, that was huge.
Right.
Huge.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's just a fantastic ad, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And for people who haven't read the blogs, what can you explain what you saw of the global variables?
I did see presentations, so
Yeah,
I'll paraphrase.
Yeah.
So you could just define the meaning of variable. Define a variable at I guess you could say the tenant level, if not the workspace level.
Yep.
Right. And just reuse that variable anywhere. You can call that variable in Python scripts, PySpark, anywhere you want to, right?
Right.
Pipelines or any type of orchestration.
Yeah, you're spot on, and that's why I think it's above the workspace because you can declare variables and like from one environment to the next, from one workspace to the next, you could still use those. So that's
okay, more of the tenant level,
capacity, or may even be beyond that. So that's super exciting, right?
Sure.
I mean, I don't know about you, but like that's been a big challenge, right? Like how do you move stuff from environment to environment? Like those having universal variables is a big like game changer for us, right?
Absolutely. Yes. Very excited.
Yeah.
Very excited.
Isn't it great? Now, I'd imagine you have some complex data models that you're managing.
We do. We currently, and this goes back to the Direct Lake. So yeah, we currently finished importing a little over 10 billion records, around 20 plus tables, and before, like with data flows and your 10 gig limit on a semantic model, just impossible. But with Direct Lake, we already have the Direct Lake model built and visuals applied to that model.
Wow.
So 3 days, 10 billion records, a reporting interface, a UI to look at that data, to visualize that data. It's insane.
That's fantastic. And they announced today the ability to connect to multiple lake houses to build your direct lake models off of that no matter where you are. So that's got to be a real game changer for you as because now we know each other. You work in the enterprise space. You own enterprise models.
Yeah.
But imagine you must have other people that want to augment those models. and to be able to have them allow them to do that, where they can add in their own direct lake items to enrich that model. I mean, that opportunity there is huge, right?
Sure. An enterprise model is an enterprise model. It's not a one size fits all, right?
Right.
So now we can append. We could just we can bring in different flavors of data, right?
Yeah.
And so they announced the using Power Query and have an import model with Direct Lake.
Right.
So I mean, the possibilities it's always changing. We're really happy with the progress that's being made.
Oh, that's exciting. Was there anything that you were hoping you'd see that you didn't see?
I would like to see probably SQL Server, on-prem SQL Server migration tools, right?
Right.
You know, that'd be great. That'd be great to help us transition more from our on-prem environments.
Well, so maybe, and I don't know this is not an NDA, I'm not breaking anything there, but I think something that we saw that looked really promising was the Synapse migration tool.
Yeah.
Right? Which is, you're going to be able to take and just migrate the Synapse tool, and then the service is going to automatically reroute all the calls that were going to the Synapse over to the new Fabric migration, right? So I'm hopeful that lays the foundation for like the future, where like, okay, here's your migration from on-prem to the cloud, as well as the rerouting of those, like, so it's a seamless type of transition. No one said that that's a thing, but boy, that would be awesome.
It would be a game changer.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Now you've got FabCon's just starting off. Are there any big sessions you're looking forward to getting into?
Looking forward to the Power BI Vision roadmap. Of course, I think that's coming up in a few minutes. Actually,
Oh, okay.
It may have just started, but
all right.
Oh no, I mean it's fine. Looking forward to that.
Yeah,
but also just anything. So the Marco Russo, right? He has a session here.
Yep.
Right. So I'm definitely going to attend that.
Awesome.
I brought my definitive guide to DAX book.
Oh, gotta get that signed, right?
Know?
Yeah.
So So how about you? Anything you hope will come of this?
So I'm gonna be spending a lot of time here. Oh, look at that. You are in focus now. Let's get back in. AI cameras are AI cameraing. Boy,
Chris, it needs Copilot.
Yeah, it does need Copilot. But honestly, I've got a couple sessions I'm going to. The one session I'm really going to make sure I hit is the PySpark by DataBard tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. That's the big one I want to make sure that I get in and attend. Otherwise, I'm going to be here live streaming, hopefully meeting more people, talking with more people. So
Great. Well, thanks for having me.
Yeah.
And thanks for everything you do for the Power BI community.
Oh,
really
thank you,
appreciate
sir.
it.
It's my pleasure. Thank you very much. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're going to be going live, through all 3 days. We're going to be doing this, hopefully, quick hit conversation. So if you're at FabCon watching this, or tonight, come on down. We'll go live. We'll talk with you. You guys have the best day ever. Peace.
Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.
I'm pretty sure.